again, T-Rex with T-Rex Outdoors, and we are about an hour and a half in of assembly. And as you can see, it is coming along pretty good. Part of the boom, outriggers, axles. There's really not much left to do, but it is starting to rain, so we're going to call this quits until this rain gets out. I like it so far. Everything looks good, feels good. Not real sure how strong the metal is on this.
I do like this added safety feature though that they put in here. Hold the boom up.
Well, that's just a lock pin for pulling it down the road that they tell you not to do.
But for when working on it.
So anyway, this is where we're at. Like I said, we're about an hour and a half in. I figure we're looking at 20 more minutes on that. Then fill it and then do the hydraulics. I figure we're probably another hour and a half in. So you're looking at 3 hours assembly time, roughly. I'll update that for sure and let you know what that's like. Like I was saying about the metal, I'm not really sure how strong this metal is, but everything else has felt good, looks good. It's going together really well. It was packaged really well. I'm pleased. That's about all I can say. I'm pleased with where I'm at so far on it. If the metal is as strong as everything else is going together, then it'll be a good little machine, I feel like. But I guess time will tell. Thanks for watching.